Oh yes! Hey, look, man. In this video right here, I'm gonna show you how to go from a big fro, you feel me, like the one I got right now, man. Hey, look, to the waves, man. I promise you, you do not want to miss this video, man. Let's get into it.
You wanna ride my way, now they blow I got shades. They wanna see me grow, they hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low, yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy Afro Thunder, and I'm back with another banger, man. Stop playing with me, man. Look, if you're new to my channel, man, you want to learn more about how to get waves, whether you coming from the dreads, the waves, or the fro the wave, all that, man. So if you're new to my channel, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another banger, man. Stop playing with your boy, man. Look, in this video, man, I'm gonna show you how to go from a fro to the wave, you feel me? From a fro to the waves, man. Stop playing with me. Look, it's very simple. I just need you to pipe up with me. Hey, I'll rock, man. Let's get the video up to 200 likes. 200 likes off the rubber, cause you already know this finna be a lit video, man. So yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's go, gang. Alright, YouTube, man, look, when you're going from an afro to the wave, man, it's a couple things you're gonna need, man. The first thing you're gonna need is a haircut. You wanna grab your clippers, or just go to the barbershop, let them pipe you up real quick. We're gonna cut down to a 2, you feel me? We're gonna cut down to a 2P. So the first thing first, let's go crazy. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with these clippers, man. Oh man, that was it right there, you feel me? Once you go to the barbershop and get cut down to a 2P, if your hair turn out like this, you might want to slap your ball. Alright, so once you cut down to that 2P, man, the next couple of steps is what's gonna put you in the game, man. So let's get into it. Alright, man, look. We're gonna do what waivers call the washing style, you feel me? To start training your hair, you feel me? To lay down. I feel like the washing style is the best thing to do when you're trying to go from the afro to waves. Alright, so the couple things you're gonna need. Shampoo brush, not really mandatory. A brush. Do-rag with the holes in it to rinse out the shampoo. This right here is a shampoo soap bar. You can pick that up right there. A towel, a small towel. That's it. Let's go for the dye.
Chucky got the sauce, bitch.
your hair dry, man, it's still gonna be damp. You're gonna wait till your hair is fully dry. And I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna show you the results, man. Keep in mind now, keep in mind, your results might not look like mine. Cause you feel my hair is kind of trained already. I am a YouTuber for waves. You feel me? So I'm gonna show y'all what the result look like, man.